to my channel, Beauty by Bordeaux. I'm Leanna, and on this channel, we deal with all things relating to hair, makeup, nails, beauty, and other things. So in today's video, this is what I got from Amazon. My hair is a mess. I washed my hair on December 31st. That was the last time I washed my hair. I currently have the flu. My husband also has the flu. So I am home and I am sick and I have a bad cough. My fever has finally gone down. But I wanted to try this out because it was cheap on Amazon. It was, I think I got it for $13 on Amazon because I was thinking about getting the Revlon the one-step volumizer, the one that's like this spiral brush. But I'm waiting for it to go back on sale, and if it doesn't go back on sale, I get it when I get my taxes. But I saw this and I thought this would be a good alternative to that. So like I said, I got this from Amazon, and then I'm probably gonna put the link, well, not the link, I'm gonna do the picture somewhere over here so you know where I got it. My hair is partially straight. My roots are poofy, but my ends are kind of straight in certain parts of my hair. So with this, this Revlon is the Style, Curl, and Volumize Hot Air Kit. Great for second day hair. It has an 1.5 inch brush, an inch brush, a smoothing concentrator, some things here. Alrighty, so I'm just reading in the box. Because it was cheap, I know I'm probably not gonna return it, so I'm just gonna put it there for now. I'm just trying to see if my hair needs to be wet for this. Okay, so I do have a brush with me. Not a brush, a water bottle, so I probably will dampen my hair a bit, but it's just a regular, I think this is a GCI cord, a ground fault cord, so that's why these are on here. So if you ever wanted to know why these are on here, my husband told me. So these are to put, like, if you ever notice in your bathroom you have like those start stop things, and then you probably also have them in your kitchen. These actually will stop the flow of electricity so you don't burn down your goddamn house. So that's why sometimes when you put it in, you hear a little pop, and it might be the first time you use it, but it's to protect you and the power, because yeah, that's why those are there. Alrighty, so I am going to plug this in to make sure that it works. Okay, and then it has like these little clips here, so I guess you'll just, yep, that's how you release it. So you have the 1 inch brush, and then you have the 1.5 inch brush. So I think first, so there's air that kind of comes out of here, but then all the heat is in here. Alright, so now you can't just do that, which is good. So you have to release it. So I'm actually going to put the concentrator back on because I probably need to straighten my hair a bit. And then the spirals. So I'm going to do the front part. Okay, so I have this one. This is the heat protectant that I'm going to use. point isn't very long. Doing something. Okay, it's doing something. It's probably because I don't know how to use it. I don't know what it's doing. It is doing something though. So let's try the bigger one and see if that gives me anything better. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is what it's done so far. It's given me like that 1970s like blowout. It's cute. It's giving like the little 1970s blowout. But one of the things that I've learned about doing my hair, I sniff. Now, you know how when you be going into the salons, whether it's the Dominican salons, black salons, whatever salons you be going to, or when your mama used to do your hair on Easter Sunday with the hot comb in the stove, on the stove in the kitchen with that blue grease? Yeah. So I found that when it smells like hair, that's because your hair is burning. So I like to sniff to see if my hair is burning. Luckily, my hair was not burning, which is good. So, oh, this is bouncy. This is real bouncy. So it's actually really nice. I like it. I'm debating maybe what I should do, because this was my roots. Like, it made my roots nice and fluffy, which I really like. But I'm thinking maybe I should flat iron my hair and then use the hot air dryer to see how it does, because I'm not gonna wash my hair again probably until a few days before my birthday. If not on my birthday, I'm planning on getting my hair done probably on my birthday. So yeah, maybe I'll do it that way. Maybe I'll because I really like this. I really like this. I want to see it again. Like, this is cute. I would say this is significantly easier. This one is significantly easier for me to use. I don't know why. Yes, so in the box it says the 1-inch one is made for soft waves and soft curls and waves, and the 1.5 is for volume, which is probably why my hair looks so big. And if you recently have watched my video about how I straighten my hair, you see I have very thin hair, so now my hair looks big. My hair makes me look like those like 70s, like, you know, the 70s blowout. I think I want to try that look. Yeah, so yeah, I will definitely have to test this out again. I might make another video of me like using it over my whole head, but for $13, actually it was less than $13. I think my card was charged for either $12.95 or $11.95 for this product. So this is Amazon. I'll put the picture here again, boom 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 boom, and then I'll make sure to put the link somewhere in my description box. But yeah, I like it. Look at this. This looks, oh my gosh, I gotta go show my husband. I like this. It's like, it's so cute, because you saw how before it was straight up. Yeah, this is cute. But yeah, I'm getting over the flu. I feel better. It's a new year. It's 2024. I have goals. I have plans, and I'm gonna make sure that I reach those goals and plans. And one of them is to lose at least 50 pounds this year, at least. That's what I want to do. Once we get over our illness, I'm going right back to the gym, going right back to my Bulgarian split squats, and I'm gonna cry with my hip thrust, but I'm gonna get fit this year. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.